And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what I have already explained you in my weekly video as well as on a Monday video, where you have seen that the price, if it crosses a level of around 1852, chances are very high it can touch a level of 1900. You can check my monthly video also as well as weekly video and a day-wise video where I have explained you that if the price sustain above a level of 1852, chances of going further upside is there. Now it is trading at around $1905. Okay, and understand something, there is a pattern forming that you have to understand, and these patterns are similar to each other. Okay, and three patterns are forming from 2012 to 2020, which I have explained in monthly video. You can check that. And this video from 2020 to 2022, this is the same pattern, and the pattern it created in 2012 to 2020, these both are same. And now this pattern and this pattern are same. Okay, and this pattern is from 2012 to 2020, that means 8 month pattern around it is. So they are creating same pattern, a cup pattern is forming, and a probability was high that if this support moves and a bounce back comes, as you can see looking at this particular trend. Suppose if the price sustain of that particular level, it can cross a level of around 1913 also. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how the signal work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1913. Okay, and suppose if the price move of that particular level, it can touch a level of around 1921. Okay, and once the price sustain above 1921, chances are very high it can touch a level of around $1932, because once the price sustain above 1921, chances of touching $1932 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching $1937 is there. Okay, suppose if the price move up that particular level, it can cross this particular zone, and chances of touching 1940 is there, because this 1940 is already a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of around 1946. Okay, this 1946 is again already a weak resistance, so chances of touching $1962 is there. Keep this in mind, there is high chances if the price sustain above a level of around 1930 that it can cross and go further upside towards a level of 1926 to a level of 1935, and then from there we can see level of 1948. Once the price move of that level, it can cross a level of from 1960 and then further upside if the price sustains. So you have to keep this in mind, a trend towards an upside as sustained, but till the time it is, if it goes below a level of around 1882, then only we can see it will move further low, because this is a strong support as of now. Okay, and if it sustain above a level from 1913, so once it goes below, that means once it crosses this particular level and comes down again, okay, because this will act as a strong support once the price move over this level. But if it moves below this level, then you can say yes, it will come again towards a level of 1879, but probability we can see it is less, and market is very volatile, you can see, because these 2 days we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and some of the factors you can see are happening here, because the fear is still there in the mind of traders, okay, and investors. So chances are high that there is a probability of that the say gold price can move further upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, okay, so if you have any doubt regarding gold or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive, and one more mail ID in the description, and a Telegram link also in the description. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, chances are high that it can come towards its next support, that is coming at around $1904. Okay, so this is the strong support, so we can see a bounce back can come, but if this level also didn't sustain, because market for gold is volatile. If you look at this particular trend also, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, but a swing is formed at a level of $1802. So if the price comes close to this level, chances are high we can see it can fall further down. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can come towards a level of around $1904, and from there we can see it can go towards its next support of 1895. Once the price fall below that level, it can go towards a level of around $1892, and from there we can see a level of 1885. Once the price fall below that level, then we can see a level of $1878 to a level of 1873, and if that level also fall further low, then we can see a level of 1868, and from there we can see a level of $1856. Why I'm telling you, because once the price fall below 1868, then we can see a level of 1861 to a level of 1858, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see level of 1848. So if the price fall below 1858, then I'll make another video explaining on this. Okay, because there is a continuous upside we have seen from 3-4 days, so probability can be there. If a swing form, then we can see it can go further low till the time if this support didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, now you have to understand something. You have to make a clear pattern. What I teach in my workshop, I'll tell you some of the part here, but understand something. Always try to set a limit for a day or a particular trade or a particular month, so that your capital shall not be wiped out. This is the mistake that most of the trader and investor do. Okay, what they think that they will try to recover it when they lose their full capital, then only they understand. So what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, some might be trading 100k, some might be trading with 5k. So try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. How it will is beneficial, that suppose if you took 1000, 1500 per trade, risk takes 0.5 to 1%, that, or even you take 1% also, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500. If you lose all 5 trades, maximum you will lose is $500. Now relax for the day. Okay, now if you relax for the day, you will be more relaxed. Okay, so you will focus more on profit the next day. But what people do, they lose so much money in the first day itself, and in the process of recovering, they lose their full capital. Okay, so this is how I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.